All right, Toosters. In 2 bits. Look what we have here. 75. 75 Caprice. What are you in for today, Dean?
Mess.
Convertible top. Convertible top. So we taking the red cloth top off with the busted glass and putting a black cloth top on it. Black it is. This was the interior on it.
Isn't that nice?
It is nice.
Very.
You ready for the trash?
Yeah. Quilt.
Only thing saved this car from throwing the whole damn car away was the dynamite. If it didn't have this dynamite in it, I'd have threw the whole damn car away. That's the only thing that saved it.
Yeah.
So I got my man Steam Dean over here. Finna tackle on this top here, scissor top. You say it don't move, huh?
My favorite. Clicks, that's it.
Huh?
We'll figure it out. Got power better.
Got power. There's no noise. Okay.
I don't know who did it.
So we're gonna figure out what all they going, what all missing, what all he got.
Don't got.
What he don't got. So we're gonna switch this thing out to
Console?
all black.
Oh, we're gonna do a console?
We're gonna pop. Yeah, he gonna need a console.
I think we're gonna need a console.
I think he gonna need a console as well.
Anybody need a seat for their front porch?
I don't know what the hell they was doing with this one here, but they was practicing like hell over here, boy.
Yeah, they sure was. They didn't pay much.
Oh, they ain't. No, this was a donation. Do we got extra lines over there too?
Look at there, French seam there, bro. That's nice. You got to start doing that, aren't we?
Okay. Well, boy, I'm telling you, boy. You know, I usually say, man, they look better going than coming. I ain't lying. So we finna get this thing here right, man. It had a ton of rust in it, so they finally got all of the rust cut back out, metal put back in it.
It came to the right shop.
I don't know what paint man would leave this here.
Hey, we can straighten it out.
Why would you paint a whole car and leave? I'm confused. I'm gonna let my customer talk to his paint man about that part. Oh yeah, he in the right spot for decorations.
Oh my goodness.
We had a lot of decoration.
We got the Flintstones coming down here too.
What we got?
Oh look. Snake. Snake hole right there. Look at that. Somebody done ate the bottom.
I'll be.
Yeah, that's okay.
We're glad I got a welder. We could do a little patching in there. I don't do much welding, but
Well, we need it for the water run.
I can do a little patching. The trunk seemed pretty solid,
Yeah, it does.
other than a little hole here. That's easy.
A little hole right here too, brother.
Okay.
Right there.
So I could get a tall head to do that. Okay, I see that patch panel here.
We don't have no water.
They put a quarter panel in on one side. Okay, good stuff.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
They patched that son of a bitch.
Mm-hmm.
They did a good job on the outside.
Look like the metal went over it.
Yeah. They cut it out. It was pretty good on the outside.
Yeah, good job. Okay, other than that, that's about dead on that, man. It do run, though. I bet most of y'all can't say that. The car do run
It moves.
on its own power.
Don't spin a wheel.
No, it don't spin a wheel. So we finna get Carlos Miller's donk together, put him a top on there, man, clean them up, of course, get them. This is Carlos's.
Okay.
This is your buddies.
One plays just.
Those hideous wheels got to go. Those hideous wheels got to go. They are some dubs, so we might do a raffle. Start with dollar tickets. that's about that on that, man. Y'all lay around for it, man. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product, man, and what this thing here gonna look like after we put this top on, because it need a new wig. That's that on that, man. I'll be back in a minute.